All over the place in there. You can also see these seed pods that are coming in, so we want to try and make sure that as we're pulling this, we're not leaving any of the seed pods behind, because there's just going to be more of them next year. So this is the radish plant that we're after. So this is the cheeseweed.
Oh,
it's looking a little scraggly right now, but you can see this shape of the leaf. Some of them you'll see are a little more. There's a few others down in there that look a little more lush. But yeah, I think this is probably a good spot to kind of fan out.
That's your opinion of a rat.
Chase him!
A rat? What is this guy? Oh, it is a spider.
Where? Oh, it's a small spider. It just went in and hid.
Oh, there's a spider here!
Where?
Right here.
It's a house. If that popped up in my house, it's getting the vacuum chamber. The vacuums in my vacuum. Oh wait, no, I mean his spider vacuum.
Not Berlin.
Next thing you know, it
always
has
this like thick red spider that would hang from
thick.
these trees. Yeah, it was thick. It was so thick. Triple C. Yeah, triple C. No.
Thank God we don't live in Australia though. This would be way worse.
Australia is like insane.
Weeding at
It was just, like,
Australia.
hanging from
Guys?
trees. It's like this thick, like. Let's get that tree out of here.
What are you doing?
I'm cutting weeds.
Chris! Is that weed?
Yeah, one hand, come on.
What do you mean?
Go, pet.
How satisfying that is.
No,
Get it, leave.
here after me.
Let me use the tool. I thought that was for pulling for a second. Take matters into your own hands.
And to think we were trying to pull that out. Like, we were like, we got this, guys.
No, it's gonna fiber out. You're just gonna hurt yourself.